Alright, this is going to walk you through the setup. It's going to be really quick, and some of the settings will depend on your TV. The first thing to do is connect it to the internet. Now my Sharp here, I'm going to hit home and go down to settings. Yours might be different. I'm just going to arrow over to network and over again to set up a connection, and then select that with my OK button. Again, yours will be a little different. It scans for wireless networks, and I'm going to pick my wireless network, and behind the scenes I'm going to put my password in for my wireless network and make sure it's connected. And we see that it actually successfully connected. This just gives the TV internet access. Next, we're going to install the app by searching for it. On my TV, I'm going to hit the home key here and arrow down to search and type in TVQ. That's TVQUE. And I just get about 3 letters and it already knows it on the right. I type the T, the V, and the Q. And then I'll go over to the right and select to install that channel. It's really an app, but it calls it a channel. So I hit OK there. And I hit add channel. Now this channel will sort to the bottom by default of all your applications or channels. And you'll see I've already scrolled to it in the next couple of screens. So we're going to go ahead and set in my TV this channel to be the screensaver and set the screensaver to 1 minute. It might be a little different on your menu, but it's typically under the settings. So I'm going to hit the home key, go down to settings, and under settings it's under theme. And I'm going to scroll down here past screensavers to screensaver wait time and arrow over and select 1 minute, or whatever the lowest number is, then arrow back. And you go up to screensavers, and we're going to search. You might have to scroll up and down to find this and select it, and then select go to queue. Now what it's going to do is it's going to start it, and it's going to show a code, and you're going to need that code. Next, we're going to register that code on the website, tvq.com. So we'll open a web browser on our computer. Doesn't need to be on the same Wi-Fi anywhere you have a computer. And we hit enter, and we'll click on Display TV. In there, you don't click on any of this, you click on register. So we click there, put the code for the TV on here. It'll be different for you than my code. So, and I'll put whatever email I want to register this to, and my password, and they'll send you a confirmation email for your registration. Click register, and it takes us to this simple environment. Might have some images on because I tested, so just ignore those images. Now what we're going to do here is basically click on upload and upload a couple images that I've saved on my desktop of books, and there's one image, and some flowers, and your content will be prepared ahead of time. There is a settings button here you click, and you can change settings. The one thing I'll change here is perhaps the slideshow. I'll set it to 15 seconds instead of 10, and I'll cue this to the TV. Now what we can also do here is show you a couple other settings. One is to turn off the TV code so you don't see it on the screen, and the other, we're going to add some text right here. Now this text is going to be typed in on every slide. If you have a need for that, I'll hit show text and it should display here. Then you click this little start to get it going, and it will download to the TV and keep playing over and over again, and I'll show you the TV here. I couldn't figure out how to color the text, but I imagine your text will be more on your imagery than using that text feature. And the logo goes away when you pay for the service. So you have to register it with a credit card. There are two different options, and to do that we click this little hamburger here. We click on my account and we select subscribe, and then you have choices what to subscribe from. The one thing that's key is the $7 one is the one that removes the tvq.com watermark. It also supports external video links, image slideshows, but it doesn't support video uploads. So you would click there and you'd hit subscribe and put your credit card in. I didn't see the interface to see if it changes once you pay for it, but I think this would work out fairly well to try.